You're listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.
If you're holding oil ETFs or Hyundai-themed funds, today's numbers hit your account directly. Oil ETFs just posted their best week of the year. Hyundai-linked funds did the opposite. And regulators just tightened the leverage rules you trade under. Let's get into it. It's Wednesday, July 22nd. Let's look at what this means for retail investors in Korea. Middle East tensions escalated, from military strikes to attacks on oil facilities and power plants. That pushed international crude sharply higher over the past week. Regulators separately raised the minimum deposit for single-stock leveraged ETFs, pushing traders toward index-level leveraged products instead. Here's what the numbers show. Codex WTI crude oil futures gained 13.29% over the past week, topping domestic ETF returns. The inverse version of the same fund dropped 11%, and 13 billion won flowed out of it in the same period. Brent crude topped $90 a barrel on July 20th for the first time in about a month. Hyundai Motor closed below 400,000 won, and 3 Hyundai-themed robotics ETFs each lost more than 20% over the past month. The minimum deposit for single-stock leveraged ETFs rises from 10 million to 30 million won starting August 5th, though index and sector leveraged funds are exempt. Retail money is already shifting. Net purchases of the 3x semiconductor bull ETF jumped to first place in offshore holdings right after the rule change. So what does this mean for your positions this week? Earlier, we said the numbers hit your account directly. Here's what that actually means for you. Oil-linked ETFs are riding a real supply shock story, not just sentiment. Hyundai-themed funds are down because the underlying stock, not the robotics theme, took the hit. Separate the two before deciding anything. Watch whether crude holds above $90 and whether Hyundai's second quarter earnings confirm the slowdown analysts now expect. That's today's AI PRISM, Retail Investors. This episode was produced with AI assistance based on Seoul Economic Daily reporting and reviewed by a human editor. AI PRISM is a Won IFRA award-winning series. We'll be back tomorrow.
You've been listening to AI PRISM from Seoul Economic Daily.